Alrighty, Dan, here's one of your 427s. Two descriptions combinations. Got AFR center heads on. Got a custom grind hydraulic roller. Edelbrock manifold with fuel carburetor. Obviously the GT40. Got the GT40 front end on it. Period correct oil pan. When we make a run, see if it does. Stay tuned. Alrighty, 3,600, 476 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 535, peak horsepower 561, rate of 575, front end's about 20. So everything's good there. Next thing we do is pull pipes back, make sure exhaust's getting clean for you, and I'll show you a couple other things. Alrighty, when you receive your engine, find this thing that looks like a credit card. It's a USB card full of technical information. It's got your engine build specs, dyno video, a lot of tech stuff. Highly recommend watch it. On the engine will be this tag. You'll have your engine number, smaller specs. That engine number is the easiest way for us to look you up. If you need anything from us, flip it over, hover over UR code, and I'll take it to our site. Be a bunch of other technical stuff. So highly recommend watch all this stuff, make your installation a lot better. Have a great day.